Yeah, good evening all. So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes.
So data types. First I was discussing about the 4 cases, right? So now coming to this data types. Data types are of 2 types. Fundamental data types, collection data types. Objects holding single value. Objects holding single value. X equal to 10, one object to 10 with value 10, it's going to have some address. The address is given to X. An object holding single value, right? Object holding multiple values. One 104080, right? This address is given to X. Fundamental data type, objects holding single value. Collection data type, object holding group of values. Object holding group of values, right? Yes. Object holding single value, fundamental data type. Object holding group of values, collection data type, right? Yes. Okay. Fundamental data type, 5 types. Mainly there are of 5 types, right? Yes. Fundamental data types, right? 5 types. List by using square bracket. Sorry. Fundamental types: integer, float, boolean, string, complex. Integer, float, boolean, string, and complex. Integer, right? Age 25. Float, right? Something in like height 6.5. Something boolean means which returns either true or false. String. String means sequence collection of characters. City equal to Hyderabad. Complex means, for example, x plus iy. In general mathematics, right? But in Python, instead of I imaginary, if we'll use j, right? Yes. We'll discuss about this complex type. Integer, float, boolean, string, and complex. Collection data types, right? 5 types. Collection data types, 4 types. Fundamental data types are 5 types. Collection types are 4 types. Collection types, 4 types of collections. List using squared bracket. Tuple, right? Yes. Using normal braces. Set, curly bracket, and dictionary. Dictionary, right? Yes. Collection of key and value. Key and value. For example, name. List means, for example, ten, 20, 30, 40, 50. List of values. Tuple, right? Example like tuple of values. Y equal to tuple of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Set of values. Z equal to set of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Dictionary, right? Example of this dictionary. W equal to yes. Collection of key value pairs. By seeing the braces only, should identify what type of collection it is. Key value. Key value, right? Representation. Key value representation. So here, yeah, we have got a lot of discussion on this list, tuple, sets, and dictionaries, right? List indexing, list slicing, list functions, list methods, list addresses, tested list, tuple operations, tuple functions, sets, and dictionaries. So now my discussion will be on string indexing, string slicing, string functions, string methods, string special characters, right? Fine.
So this complex, that x plus jy will be assigned to a variable, right?
Yes. Z equal to x plus jy. Z is what type? Complex type.
And the list difference between list tuple set will be covered later, or
So we have got lot of only on list we'll be discussing for 3 to 4 days.
okay.
For tuple sets dictionaries totally for nearly 1 week, more than like 7 days we'll be discussing on these collections.
Got it.
Okay. String. What is a string? A string is a sequence collection of characters. A string is a sequence collection of characters. A string is a sequence collection of characters. In Python, a string is represented a string is represented using in Python, a string is represented using single quote, double quote, and triple quote. Single quote, double quote, or triple quote, any of this. For single lines, right, we go for single quote or double. For single line string, go for single quote or double quote. For multi-line string, go for triple quote. For single line string, you go with single or double quote. For multiple lines of string, you go for triple quote.
So these triple quotes are for commenting, is it? It's for commenting, I guess, right?
Yeah, triple quote you can use as a comment and also for multi-line string.
So if we use it as a multi-line string, it won't act as a comment. So how it processes like?
So if you are assigning to one variable x equal to some variable, it will be taken as a string.
Oh, okay.
If you are
Yeah,
not
got
assigning,
it.
it will be taken as a comment.
And one more question, where exactly we use this complex data type? What is the use? Where exactly we use those kind of data types?
So complex data type, right? So
Yeah.
generally for mathematical people, anyone from mathematical, we rarely use in our applications. We never use in our applications, but for any
Yeah.
mathematical applications, right, we go for it.
Okay. So in real time, we don't work much, we don't get to work much on these complex data types, I guess.
Yes.
Okay.
Single quote, double quote, and triple quote. So for single line string, we go with single quote or double quote. For multi-line string, we go with triple quote. Fine. Each character of a string, for example, each character of a string. String means sequence collection of characters. Hyderabad, collection of characters. So if you are keeping in single quote, double quote, or triple quote, each character is represented. Each character is represented accessed by a unique index. String supports two types of indexes. String supports two types of indexes. First one, forward index. Or positive index. Starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Forward index or positive index starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Backward index or negative index starts from right to left. Forward index or positive index starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Backward index or negative starts from right to left. Index starts with -1. Forward index or positive index starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Backward index or negative index starts from right to left. Index starts with -1. Right? Yes. Yes. Observe this example, right? X equal to Python. An object is going to get created. Yes. Python. This address is given to X. Yes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Forward index. Or positive index. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. Backward index or negative index? Forward index or positive, backward index or negative. All right. What is the value of x of what is the value of x of 2? Yes, x of 2 value is what? X is the string name. X of 2 is what?
T.
T. Yes. X of minus 2 is what?
O.
So x of 2 is T, x of minus 2 is O. Yes. Now coming back this one, okay. So if you want to comment this, you can go with single line comment means starts with hash, multi-line comment starts with triple quote, end with triple quote. X equal to Python Python. Print X Python. Print type of X. Print X means Python. Type of X string type. Print length of X. Number of characters within the string. Length means what? 6. Y equal to programming. Y equal to programming. Print X plus Y. This is what we call like concatenation. Concatenation, nothing but adding two strings. Adding two strings. First string followed by second string. First string followed by second string. X equal to Python, Y equal to programming, X plus Y concatenation, adding two strings, first string followed by second string, right? Save it. Adding two strings, Python plus programming, Python programming, what type? String type. I want space between them means add three strings. X is one string, space is one string, Y. X plus space plus Y. X is Python, Y is programming. Between these two, one space. X plus space plus Y, right? Python programming.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
So if X is Python, how do we print from the last character till the first character, like NOHTYP?
NOHTYP, yes. Slicing is there. Next. Yes, that you have got slicing in Python. String slicing. So I'll come back to your query. But before that, string slicing, extracting particular portion of a string. Extracting particular portion of string X equal to Python, Python. Print X means prints Python. X equal to Python, print X Python. Print type of X. Okay. Extract only the extract. Okay. Python program is otherwise. Python program. Extract only Python from this. Extract only Python. X of. Try to say extract only Python. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 to 6 we need to say. 5 6 excluded up to 5. 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 to 6 means 6 excluded up to 5 takes. 0 to 5. Observe this output. Yes. Extract the middle portion, right? PROG. Extract PROG, right? Yes. Print. Seven, 8, 9, 10. 7 you want, 8 you want, 9 you want, 10 you want. 7 to 11. 7 to 11, right? Yes. PROG. 11 excluded. Always upper bound is excluded. Always. This we call it like lower bound. This upper bound. Always upper bound is excluded.
So in that case, if you want to print Python, it should be 0 to 7, I guess, not 0 to 6.
0, 1, 2, 3,
Yeah, correct.
4, 5. 0, 1,
Oh, okay.
2,
Okay,
3,
got
4,
it, got it.
5.
0, it should start with 0, right? Correct.
If I say print x of 11 to 7, what is the output you get? Like 7 to 11 means okay, but 11 to 7 in the 11 to 7.
Nothing, right? Zero or error.
Empty string it prints.
Okay, nothing.
Empty string because always slicing in the forward direction. Always, because always slicing in the forward direction. If you go in backward direction, empty string.
So negative indexing can't we use? It's only forward direction means.
It's only in
So
the
if
you go in
if we
backward
take
direction, always
yeah,
always you should go in the forward direction in this way. If you go in backward direction, it gives empty string. Now extract a PROG using negative index. Extract a PROG using negative index.
-4, -1, 2, 3, -4, -4 to -7.
You are going in backward direction. Empty string it gives. You should go in forward direction.
Yes,
Using
it will give empty string. I think GORP is possible, right?
-7 to -4.
-7 to
-7 to 0 are empty.
-7 to
-4. No, -5, sorry. It excludes the upper bound, right? -5.
-7 to -3.
Oh, sorry, -3 in this case, right?
-7, -6, -5, -4. -4 means -3. -3 is to -7 to -4. This -1, -2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. -7, -6, -5, -4. up to -3. -3 excludes, up to -4 it will consider.
Sir, can you repeat what is this empty string? You have written 11 to 7 empty string.
7 to 11 means you are
No,
going in this no. Once observe here. Always slicing should be in this way, forward direction. Means in this way, forward. But 11 to 7 means you are going like this, backward. Means if you are going in backward means empty string it prints always. 11 to 7 you are going in forward or backward. 11 means this, 7 means this, 11 to 7 you are going backward. If you go in backward, right, it always prints empty string.
okay, means output will be empty. You
Empty.
mean?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
So you can see this output will be empty string. Next. Extract a program from this. Extract a program.
-7 to 1, -1.
First try to say using positive index.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes.
7 colon.
I have a doubt that if in the above we have written that 11 to 7, sir.
Mm.
In that 11 to 7, if we use the string,
11 to 7.
hello, sir.
Yes.
If we use 15 or 16 instead of 11, there is the same empty string we get, sir, or we will get any error, sir?
15 to 7 means you are going in forward or backward.
I am just we have written 11 to 7 now, sir.
11 to 7. Okay, you are saying 15 to 7 you want to give. Yes.
11 to 7 positive now, sir.
Hmm.
In the place of 11, if we write 7
You want to write?
string,
You want to write?
I want to write the number in which the length of the number more than length of string, sir.
Yeah, 30 to 7 you write.
Yes, sir. If example 32 to 7 we write, we get the empty string or we get any error, sir?
Always empty string it prints.
Always empty.
We are going in backward direction. Here also, okay, 1 second. Now try to say in this example you see extract program.
7 to 14.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7 to 14. 14 index not available. It's excluded. Up to 13 only it will consider. Program you get.
We can just leave it as 7 colon, then close it, right?
Print the shortcut for this 7 to. Don't provide the upper bound. Ignore the upper bound. Up to 7 to up to the end of the string it reads. 7 to end of the string it is going to read, right? Yes.
So for small strings, it is okay, like we can just count and give the upper bound and lower bound. But what is the case like bigger strings with a lot of more characters? So how it works then in that scenario?
In
So
Python we have got regular expressions. We go with regular expressions in such case.
what do you mean by regular expressions?
For extracting required data from the given data, it is going to provide some patterns, special characters. Using that you can extract that. I want if you got 100 employees, I want only their employee names to get extracted.
Yes.
I want all their salaries to be extracted.
Mhm.
I want in this ferret, we go for regular expressions. So it provides some kind of special characters to work with, right? Using that, you can extract it. Later, I discuss about this. But if
Okay.
the string is small, okay. We have got a lot of discussion on this regular expressions. Okay. Extract program is this one. Using negative index, you say me. Using negative index, try to say me, right?
-1 to -8.
Minus
-7 to
-7
Minus,
colon.
minus
sorry, -7
Yeah.
to
Colon.
-7, and then we can leave it, right?
this is the only way, right? It's -7 to up to the end of the string.
Correct. So we can't give
It
0.
reads. If
But-
0 means again this P. 0 means P.
Okay, yeah.
So, and can I also do like this? Can I ignore this lower bound? Can I ignore this lower bound?
Yes, I think so.
By default,
But
it
it-
reads from the start of the string to 6 exclude up to 5.
It will
But
print
it will print
then.
Python, right? It's
Yeah.
not the program. It will print Python in that case.
So
Yes.
here, this and this both are same, right?
Yes.
This and so if I ignore this lower bound also, right? It reads from the start of the string to 6. 6 exclude up to 0 to 5. Python is the output for this. Python is the output for this, right? If I ignore both lower and upper bounds, what
The
is the
total string will get printed.
start of the string to end of the string? Similar to print x, right? Is it compulsory that we need to give space there? Space here and after it space. Is it valid if I won't give space? All these three are valid. Same. All these 4 statements results the same output.
So for indexing, blanks also counted, right? Blank
Yes.
will also get counted.
Yes. These 4 statements results the same output. In this string, space also counted. But it is slicing, right? From where to where means from the start to end. This also start to end. From 0 to end. This 4 statements results the same output.
I have seen some scenarios, where they put 2 colons. So what does that mean?
In the coming examples, right? I'll show you.
Okay.
Sir, one question.
Yes.
That in the case of like negative index like -7 to -3. So is there the last value is excluded or included?
-3 is excluded.
Okay.
-7 to -4 only it will take. This one.
Okay.
-7,
It-
-6, -5, -4. Minus
Okay.
excluded.
So means it's whether it is forward we are moving or backward, positive indexing we are doing or negative index, last one is always excluded in both the cases.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
So where exactly this slicing concept will be useful in Python? Like only for extracting these things, or?
So if you got something you want to extract from mobile numbers or from anything, for example, IDs.
Mhm.
from IDs, employee IDs, if you want to extract, or from anything like if a small string, if you want to extract a portion of it, you can extract it.
Sir, can we assign sliced strings to any other string variables, sir?
Yes.
Sir, with a small example, please, sir.
Print hello is there. Is a normal string. Plus x of 0 to 6. See what is the output you get. Hello Python. There is a normal string to slice string.
Sir,
Print.
that's okay, sir. But I am asking about assignment to another string variables.
X equal to Python. You say y equal to x. Print x, print y. Both are same, right?
You didn't close the variable x.
Doesn't run what? Both prints Python. Just be closed. Doesn't run what you. Yes.
Sir, we can write y is equal to x bracket of 0 to 4, sir. In the second line of the code, we can write x sliced operation 0 to 4. Is it valid, sir?
Yes, valid.
Okay,
0,
sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 to 6 also it gives Python only. Y equal to x of 0 to 6. Both prints Python only.
So this slicing is only for string data type, or any other data types also we can use this?
String slicing only for strings only.
Okay.
X of 0 to 14 with an increment of 2. Yes. First one is what? Start value, stop value, and step value. Start value, stop value, and step value. 0 to 14. Start value, stop value, and step value. What is the output you get? 0 to 14 with the increment of 2 means it reads 0 index, 2 index, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 0, 2 means this. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. You get only those characters present at the even indexes. The characters at even indexes. What is output for this? Colon, colon 2.
Same output as above.
Yeah, same.
Same output, right? Yes. What is the output for this? Colon, colon, -1 reverses the string. Reverses the string. Observe Python. Just now someone asked, right? Just before slicing, how can I reverse the string?
Yes.
So in this way, if you want to reverse the string, in this way we can reverse it. Python. Yes, reversing a string. Have you heard
What if-
about, have you
if
heard
I'm
about,
giving-
yes,
What if I'm giving -2 there?
-2 means you will get M or
Okay. It reverses, but it will show the every two characters. Okay.
yes. Have you heard about the word palindrome, anyone? Palindrome.
Yeah.
What is palindrome?
Even if we reverse, the word stays the same.
Same, it's same word will come even if we reverse.
If we
the word.
reverse a string, if we get if we reverse a string, if we get the same string, then it is a palindrome. It is a palindrome. X equal to, for example, example of palindrome, anyone?
Radar.
MADA,
Madam,
Malayalam,
Malayalam, yes.
RADAR, radar, NITIN, race car, okay. For example, X equal to Python, print X, right? Prints Python. X of colon -1 means reverse it. Store in another variable Y. Yes, print Y. Both X and Y are same, right? The reversed and this. Then it is a palindrome.
sir, how do we compare two strings? I mean, can we just write a if statement that if x is equal to y, then print parent?
Compare, yes, if conditions. Still I didn't discuss if, right? There, if we can use if X equal to Y, then it's a palindrome. If X content is equal to Y, if X equal to Y, it's a palindrome. Else not a palindrome.
Sir, one more doubt.
Yes.
Yeah, now here it creates two objects, x equal to Python and y equal to
Yes, two objects are created.
two objects, right? Okay.
Yes. String methods. String methods, right? Yes. Upper. To print in uppercase. To print in uppercase. X
So the
equal
whole string will get will be printed in uppercase.
yes. Whether you got one word or multiple words, right? Everything will be in uppercase. Just check this. X dot upper.
But what if we only wish to print only the first letter or first character of a word in upper? Is there any?
We can use capital I.
Run what? X dot up everything in uppercase. Some query was asked.
So see, when we use this upper, is it a function, I guess? Can I call it as a function?
Method.
Method. Okay. If we use this upper method, it will, all the characters in string will get be printed in uppercase, right?
Hmm.
But some there will be proper cases, like only the first character of a string we want to print it in
Upper.
uppercase. So in that case,
Yes. The
like
next.
proper
Yeah.
case, we call it as, right?
Yes. Yes. Next example, I'll discuss about it. Print X dot lower. Prints Mumbai in lowercase. Prints Mumbai. Run module. Lower Mumbai, everything in the lowercase. Next, see that, okay, you asked a query, right? So X equal to India is there. Okay, X equal to India. You want only the first character I in the uppercase, right? Remaining everything in the lowercase. Hello.
Yes.
So in such case, we have got one more method, X dot capitalize. It capitalizes only the first string, first character, only the first character in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. Run module. Only the first character in uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases.
So if we have like India is my country, suppose we have a string like India is my country, then if we want to print first letter of each word, then that also works with this capital X.
Yes, 1 second. Yeah, for capitalizing the first character, of a string.
Basically, camel case.
So you say, right, you mean to say X equal to what is that? India is my country. You want I in uppercase, this I in uppercase, this I.
Yes, my.
How many words are there? 4 words.
Okay.
Each word, first character in the uppercase you want.
Yes.
So just say print X dot title.
Okay.
Check it once. Each and every word, first character in the uppercase. I in uppercase,
Yes.
I in uppercase, M in uppercase, C in uppercase, right? Yes.
Okay, got it.
Title, right? Yes. For capitalizing the first character of each word in a string. For capitalizing the first character of each word in a string. For example, you may ask where exactly it is useful, right? For example, employee names are given. Rahul, Ajay, Miller, James, Amar, Rohit. Each and everything that you got some 100 names like this. I want each and every name first character in the uppercase. EMPS dot title, that's it. Run model, right? Yes. Rahul, Ajay, Miller, James, Amar, Rohit.
So delimiter can be anything.
Yes, here everything is a string, right?
Yes.
Whether it is a space separated or comma separated. Swap case. We don't need to write huge codings here in Python. We have got inbuilt functions and methods for reversing. For reversing the case, that is converting one case to another case. X equal to swap case, right? X equal to good evening, Hyderabad. All upper cases to lower cases, all lower case to upper case. Print X dot swap case. All upper cases to lower cases to upper, upper to lower, right? Yes. Next, a replace. Replace. For replacing a portion of a string. For replacing a portion of a string. X equal to Java is easy. X dot replace. X dot replace the word Java with Python. You want to replace the word Java with Python. The output is what? Python is easy. Java is easy and Java is simple. Now replace Java with Python. Python is easy and Python is simple. You get. Replace, right? The word replace. Count. To count the number of occurrences. To count the number of occurrences of a substring or a character. For example, a normal string. Hello, hello, hello. The X dot count of hello, HELLO, right? Count of hello is what? 3. Print X dot count of H. Count of hello is 3. Count of H is 4.
So this question mark here is also treated as a string, right?
Yes.
So that will work for this count will also work for that.
Yes. How many question marks means 3 it will say. So anything if you keep in double quotes, it's a string. For string up to now, I've taken like single line string. If you want to take multi-line string, like a paragraph, data
So
equal.
if we want to mask the special characters and to be like, then how will we do? Like I want this question mark or any special character not to be treated as a string, but I have to use within the string. Then
Regular expressions.
okay. So we are going to discuss that as well, right? Regular expressions.
Regular expressions like nearly like 4 to 5 days will be spending on it.
Okay. Right.
Data. For example, I'll bring some data. Bring back this. Double quote, right? See here, in Python, see here, different functionalities given with different colors. Comment in red color, string in green color, right? Print in violet color. But here, if you give double quote, it will treat as a single line string. If you give triple quote, it will be treated as multi-line string. Everything appearing in green color. If you are giving double quotes here, only one line in green color. Triple quote, every line.
So can I ask one question here? So how is there any shortcut for commenting multiple lines?
Shortcut for multiple lines means triple quote and end with triple quote.
So you have to manually type in that. So you have to type at the beginning and also at the end.
Yes.
Okay. Usually we have like Control Alt and that whatever the comment signs usually.
In which language?
Since SAS, I'm a SAS developer, so I just want to know how to comment multiple and how to uncomment.
See here, this one. No, see here, this is, what is this? Uncommenting means comment or uncomment. Why uncomment this one? This everything is non-commented,
No,
right?
no, not like that. See, you have commented this Python is simple, Python is user friendly and all, right? If you wish to uncomment it, how do you do that?
So here it's a multi-line string. This is what a multi-line string assigned to data.
Mhm.
It's not a comment here. It's a, I'm assigning to a data. It's a string, multi-line string. So here commenting, okay. Here commenting means
So-
here I have commented here. Triple quote started here, triple quote ended. This is comment. Yes. Just remove this.
So you have to remove it manually. There is no other shortcut for that, right?
Yes.
But can you go back to the previous slide? Okay, here you are assigning it a value. Okay, got
It's
it.
a multi-line. It's a
Okay,
multi-line
got
string.
it.
What is the count
Sir,
of?
what is the use of hash here?
What is the use of hash means single line comment.
Okay.
Single line comment means this is not executable. This for your understanding, I said what is count means. Yes, count is the number to count the number of occurrences. It's not a Python statement.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Single hash means single line comment. Multi-line comment start with triple quote, end with triple quote. What is the count of data dot count here? Not X. Data is your string name in that count of Python. What is the count of Python? 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, right? Count of Python is 10.
Even I can count spaces also, right?
Spaces also, yes. How many count of space also it gives that. Space is also a character.
Right, right.
So what is the output for this print data dot count? Data dot count of Python. Data dot count of, what is output for this?
0, right?
0.
Because it's a case sensitive. Python
Case
is
sensitive. It's a lowercase p.
Run module. Count is 10, its count is 0.
What if I want to mask some characters? Suppose in the hello, I want to show only LLO and the remaining HE is a mask. Will that come under this or a
So
different?
here only slicing you can do, right?
Okay,
And
okay.
only that methods right to
Correct.
format strings. But if you want only the particular, you want to do something, right? Extracting, you go for regular expressions.
Okay.
So data dot count of Python, yes, count is 0 right here. But I want Python, there are 10 Pythons, but
Sir, while using multi-line command,
Mm.
can you use a hash also, right?
When you use multi-line, why again hash required? Multiple times hash you
Sure.
can, multiple
we-
times you can say
but-
hash. See, if you want 3 lines,
Okay.
3 hashes you use. 3 lines.
In the triple quotes inside that only, somewhere in the some code, we can append the hash also, right?
Yes.
As a string.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Anything you keep in double quotes, it will be treated as a string. Anything you keep in double quotes, it's a string. Okay. So here I'll use 2 methods. Data dot everything convert to lowercase, everything lowercase. In that count of Python, it will give 10 now. First entire thing in lowercase. In that I want count of Python. What is it? 10 and 10.
So here, when you run, that means you're running the entire code, right? From the beginning to end.
Yes.
So is it in Python, is it possible to run only the piece of code? Like from data to this, whatever the functions, modes we are using, only that part we can select and run. Is it possible?
See here, okay. If in Jupyter Notebook, you can write that.
Oh, it's not.
We got in IDs, right? Here, generally, Python statements executes line by line, first line to last,
Line by line.
statement by statement. If you want to,
Mhm.
you got that option in Jupyter Notebook.
Okay.
We
But
IDs.
not in this IDs, right?
Yes. Okay. So count of Python. So in this way, you have got many methods, right? Count method like yes, different methods are there. So yes, next session will be on Monday, right? From Monday onwards, the session will be at 9 o'clock, as I said, right, initially. And from Monday onwards, the link will be changing. The link will be changing, right? And
So before you, sorry, continue, please. Before you wrap up, I have one more question.
Yes.
So when any files with the .py extension, if you save it with .py extension, that can be only opened in IDEs, right? We cannot open it normally.
You can open it normally also, right?
Oh, is it? But I am not able to do so.
See here, whenever you want to open any file, for example, for your batch, I created a separate folder, right? Python 10 p.m. Okay, 10 p.m. batch if you want to open. For example, STR3, STR1, right? Click edit with ideally. Yes. So STR, any file if you want to open,
You're not audible.
right, it gets opened. In Windows 11, right? Windows 11, right? Yes, in Windows 11. Is my voice clear to all? Hello?
No, you're not audible. We
Yeah,
lost
it is
you in the
coming
middle.
all at once.
Okay. So whenever I right click, okay, 1 second. Edit with ID.
I think there is some problem at your end. We are not able to
No,
hear you.
whenever I say right click, you cannot hear the voice.
Oh, okay.
So here I need to right click that file.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it gets open, right? It gets in Windows 11, right? In Windows 11,
Mm-hmm.
right click. Right? Is it? Hello?
Sorry.
Am I audible or not?
Now you're audible, but when you're trying to show that you're not.
See, nothing. Right click this file and get edit with IDLE option. You will get open.
Okay. Okay.
If you
I'll
double
try
click,
that.
if you double click, it won't be open. If in Windows
Okay.
11, you won't see that edit with IDLE option. Right click, more options will be there.
Okay. Okay.
Click that more options, edit with IDLE, you can see that. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
So
Thank you.
Monday, the class,
Yeah.
from Monday onwards,
Hi,
class.
sir.
Yes.
Hi, sir. Sorry to interrupt you. Actually, I just need to have a clarification. Like, it is a full stack development course. So
Hmm.
after completing core, actually my core and advanced Java has already been completed. I know core and advanced Java. Coming to the full stack, like, is there any project we will cover in that? That is
Yes.
my doubt.
Yes, we'll
So
cover.
like end-to-end project will be there or not?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so it is based on Django completely or Flask will also be there?
Django.
Okay, Django. So SQL database connectivity will also be there.
Yes. I'll show you on two database, SQLite 3, that is its one local database,
Yes.
and also in MySQL.
Okay. And what about REST APIs? Like REST APIs is also a part of this or
Yes, I'll be discussing, right? Yes.
okay. Okay, sir. Clear. Thanks.
Okay. So yes, everyone to try to get enrolled, right? For only Python, it's 5,000 is the fee structure, 70 days, 70 hours. Python, core Python, advanced and application-oriented models will be discussed in Python. Apart from this, people who go for full stack web development, Python, core advanced, and apart from this, web development, UI technologies will be discussed. The Django framework will be discussed, and the project will be discussed. And web development, 15 to 20 applications creations I'll be showing you, right? Yes. Okay. Fine. So if I'm done with your queries, I'll sign off for now. Meet you on Monday at 9 p.m. Right? The link will be changing. After once you do the payment, don't forget to share the screenshot of your payment to DURGASOFT online training. You can see that in the chart. That a big message is given in the chart, right? You can see that course content is given, previous videos links are given, previous videos link demo 1, 2, 3, and 4. And yes.
How do we get the link, sir? The change link.
To your mail ID.
Okay, thank you.
To your mail ID you will get, and even their contact details if you're not getting, if you're not got, means Monday evening, means by Monday afternoon you will be getting it. So 1 hour before the session, if you're not got, you can just call on those numbers, right? Yes, Das, you can use Google Pay also. You can see the chart, right? The payment details and procedures are given. Even in the mail also, they'll be forwarding you, right? The payment process and procedure, right? So get enrolled to get that notes, daily notes, to get the videos. From Monday onwards, you will get the videos to your Google Drives, notes to your mail IDs, and a WhatsApp group will be created for technical discussions, and assignments and tasks will be provided. Right? So I'm signing off for now. Meet you on Monday. Thank you all for your time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.